So we published a note for FreightCar America. FreightCar announced the acquisition of Southern Parts and Equipment, Inc., which is a Monroe, Georgia-based distributor of reconditioned, new, and used railcar parts and equipment. And so the transaction, which was funded with cash, represents the company's second acquisition in the rail aftermarket segment within the past year. So while relatively small, we do expect the transaction to be immediately accretive. Gross margins generally increase as acquisitions are integrated into Rail's own aftermarket platform, thus generating attractive returns on investment. And while smaller in revenue contribution, the aftermarket segment has consistently generated higher gross margins than the company's manufacturing segment. So for example, during the first quarter, the aftermarket segment generated a gross margin of almost 31% compared to almost 14% for the manufacturing segment. And I did speak with the company yesterday about it. And, basically what they do is this company has a lease facility, so they're not going to, continue that lease. They've already moved the inventory to their Texas facility. And then they believe that they can, take cost out, and there probably would be some opportunities to increase prices for some products. So we would expect, margins, to increase or at least move up to the level of the company's aftermarket segment as a whole. So our investment rating remains an outperform, and our price target's $15 per share. And that's really driven by the company's favorable cash flow growth outlook.